So, next for the clinical considerations. So, itong mga orthosis na to is pwede siyang gamitin for adults with STI, multiple sclerosis, and for some children. So, for patients with multiple sclerosis, yung nakagamit nito, yung mga pwedeng kumamit nito is pwedeng makapag-improve ng balancing, reduced pain and fatigue, and a better quality of life. For the candidates naman for electronic orthosis, ito yung mga with ankle, knee, and hip mobility within normal limits po. Ayan. So, next is yung kailangan natin din i-consider when using this kind of orthosis is yung access to a rehabilitation facility for specialized care, training, and financial resources to cover the increased expense of these devices. Kasi kailangan din ng devices na to ng maintenance and then somehow adjustments for varied patients, or it can vary among different patients. So, ayan. Next is yung sufficient upper limb control and overall stamina to manage crutches or a walker are essential for community ambulation. So, kasama nga sa training natin, di ba? Kahit na weak yung lower nila and then wala namang problem sa upper, it is just as essential na i-training natin yung upper kasi yun yung gagamitin nila for example when using other kind of orthosis na gagamitin. And then ito yung pinaka kailangan nilang gamitin for stabilizing and then for the strength na kakailanganin when using this kind of orthosis. Ayan. Next is yung periodic and emergency maintenance of the electronic and mechanical components. As I've said nga earlier, merong mga components na yung mga this kind of orthosis. So, kinakailangan din nila ng care, ng maintenance, kasi minsan merong mga adjustments na kailangan ibigay dun sa orthosis na yan. So, yung clinicians must assess the degree to which prospective device will enable the patient to accomplish the desired goals and activities while fitting with the person's lifestyle. So, hindi lang natin basta bibigay ito kay patient, kailangan i-align din natin yung goal natin or yung goal ng patient when using this kind of orthosis and then yung lifestyle na meron siya, if fit ba yun sa orthosis na bibigay natin. Yun lang po for clinical consideration.